Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Mailgun for email delivery from VPS servers step by step clearly. Visit the Mailgun website at www.mailgun.com. Click on the sign up button located in the upper right corner of the home page. Fill in your email address, password, and any other required information on the registration form. Confirm that you agree to the terms and conditions by checking the appropriate box. Click on the Create Account button to proceed. You will receive a verification email in your inbox. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Once your email is verified, you will be redirected to your Mailgun dashboard. Log in using your newly created credentials. In the dashboard, locate and click on the Domains tab from the left sidebar. Select the Add Domain button to begin the domain registration process. Enter your domain name that you wish to use for sending emails. Choose the appropriate region for your Mailgun service. After entering your domain, click on the Add Domain button. Mailgun will provide you with DNS records for your domain. Access your VPS server's DNS management panel. Add the provided DNS records to your domain's DNS settings. Allow some time for the DNS changes to propagate. Once propagation is complete, return to your Mailgun dashboard. Click on the Verify DNS Records button to ensure proper configuration. After verification, your domain is now set up for email delivery. Explore the documentation provided by Mailgun for integration instructions with your VPS server. Locate your API key in the Settings section of the dashboard. Use this key in your application or emailing scripts for sending emails through Mailgun. Conduct a test email to ensure everything is functioning correctly. You are now ready to send emails using Mailgun from your VPS server. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.